National Weather Service to investigate reported tornado touchdowns in northern, western suburbs. The National Weather Service, NWS, is launching an investigation into reported tornado touchdowns in the northern and western suburbs of the United States. The recent severe weather events have left a trail of destruction in their wake, with reports of homes damaged, trees uprooted, and power lines downed. The NWS is working diligently to determine the extent of the damage and confirm whether tornadoes were indeed responsible for the destruction. Tornadoes are a common occurrence in the United States, particularly in the Central Plains region known as Tornado Alley. However, they can also strike in other parts of the country, including the northern and western suburbs. These areas are not typically known for experiencing tornadoes, making the recent reports all the more concerning. The NWS uses a variety of tools and technologies to track and monitor severe weather events, including tornadoes. Doppler radar, satellite imagery, and ground reports are all used to analyze storm systems and issue warnings to the public. When reports of tornado touchdowns are received, the NWS dispatches teams to survey the damage and determine the strength and path of the tornado. In the case of the recent tornado touchdowns in the northern and western suburbs, the NWS is taking a proactive approach to investigate the reports and provide accurate information to the public. This information is crucial for residents and emergency responders to assess the extent of the damage and take appropriate action to ensure safety and recovery. The NWS investigation will involve surveying the affected areas, interviewing witnesses, and analyzing radar data to determine the characteristics of the tornadoes. This information will help the NWS to classify the tornadoes based on their strength and track, as well as provide valuable data for future research and forecasting efforts. Tornadoes are classified on the enhanced Fujita (YEF) scale, which ranges from YEF 0, weak, to YEF 5, violent. The classification is based on the estimated wind speeds and damage caused by the tornado. By accurately classifying tornadoes, the NWS can provide more precise warnings and guidance to the public, helping to save lives and minimize property damage. In addition to investigating the tornado touchdowns, the NWS will also be assessing the overall severe weather patterns that led to the outbreak of tornadoes in the northern and western suburbs. This analysis will help meteorologists to better understand the atmospheric conditions that are conducive to tornado formation and improve forecasting capabilities in the future. The recent tornado touchdowns serve as a reminder of the unpredictable and destructive nature of severe weather events. It is essential for residents to stay informed and prepared for potential tornadoes by having a plan in place, staying tuned to weather alerts, and seeking shelter in a safe location during a tornado warning. The NWS plays a critical role in monitoring and forecasting severe weather events, including tornadoes. Through their investigations and research efforts, the NWS provides valuable information to the public and helps to ensure the safety and well-being of communities across the country. As the investigation into the reported tornado touchdowns in the northern and western suburbs continues, the NWS will be working diligently to gather data, analyze findings, and provide updates to the public. By staying informed and following the guidance of the NWS, residents can better prepare for future severe weather events and protect themselves and their communities from the destructive power of tornadoes.